How to add custom fields to products on Shopify. As you can see, there are custom options, logo, text, fabric. We can use different products to add different options according to the requirements of the product. As you can see, there are lots of products. For this tutorial, I will use the best product page builder app, Easify Custom Product Options. You can find the app link in the description below. So let's start the process. Log in to your Shopify store, go to Shopify dashboard. Here you can see apps, click on app settings, go to Shopify app store. Here search Easify product options. I have already installed this app. You can easily install the app. Now open the app. After that, we need to activate the app. Click on activate app and enable this option. Click on save. Go back to the app. Our first step has completed. Now go to the second step and create first option set. Click on create now. Close this. Here we need to add new option set. Turn options. Here we can select pre-made template as well. Here you can see 71 pre-designed templates. You can select these templates according to your product. You can view demo store as well. Here we can see view demo custom t-shirt. If you want to use this, you can click on use template. Close this. I am adding custom options. You can add different options. Here you can see text box, checkbox, text area, color swatch, image swatch. There are lots of options available. Let's say I am adding text box. Click it here, option name, enter the text for t-shirt. Copy this. You can select this as a required option. Person cannot proceed without selecting this option. You can set a default value as well, minimum character, maximum character, column width. After that, you can select for all products, manually select product with condition as well. In the same way, you can add advanced settings as well, like conditional logic, add a price or different options. Click on product personalizer. You can also enable live preview. When someone add text, it will show in the product. If I enable this, here you can select background as well. Go to basic settings. Here I am selecting a product, custom t-shirt, and after adding, here you can see a preview as well, how the product will look like, or you can click on here and see the live preview as well. After that, click on save. You can add another option as well, like file upload, customize file upload, upload a logo, load logo. Here you can select image type as well. You can also select enable image editor as well. You can add extra pricing for uploading a logo as well. Go to advanced setting. Here you can see add price. Let's say I want $5 extra when someone wants to upload a logo in your t-shirt, and click on save. You can select product and after that click on save. Now you can see a live preview here. T-shirt, upload a logo. In the same way, you can add other options as well according to your requirements. Radio button, swatches, time picker, color picker, date picker, font picker. Let's say I am adding font picker. Click it here. Fonts of selection, all Google fonts, specific fonts, and after that click on save. Here you can see live preview as well. Now let's check it. Click on preview. Here you can upload a logo. Here you can see your selection will add an additional charge of $5. It is mentioned as well. Here we can select a font. Here we can add a text. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.